Hi everyone! If you want to learn web development, graphic user interface applications, this is not the language to learn because it is a low-level language and the programs we will be making are terminal applications, that is, on black screen. However, learning C will help you to understand parts of other languages. I recommend this series to people who want to learn from scratch, whether they plan to be software developers or engineers, the ones who will take a subject of C programming language in an institute or university, and of course the ones who want to program embedded systems with microcontrollers in electronics. For the sake of a solid understanding of the language, I'm going to start introducing very simple notions of computers, like binary code and memory organization, which are essential to achieve an effective grasp of the C programming language, and then we will start with some examples.